Torrential slide value equivalent to $10.0600 a coin. The present reach, $10.0500. $10.3600. The earlier day close, $10.3300. The change was 0.2700, 2.61%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at $12.81. Most extreme cost $12.89. Least cost $9.12. The normal for the month $11.17. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.87. Change for August 23.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Initially cost at $9.87. Most extreme cost $10.79. Least cost $7.58. The normal for the month $9.42. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $9.43. Change for September 4.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $9.43. Most extreme cost $9.93. Least cost $8.63. The normal for the month $9.32. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $9.28. Change for October 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $9.28. Greatest cost $9.28. Least cost $7.96. The normal for the month $8.77. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $8.56. Change for November 7.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at $8.56. Most extreme cost $8.56. Least cost $6.69. The normal for the month $7.75. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.19. Change for December 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at $7.19. Greatest cost $7.43. Least cost $6.45. The normal for the month $7. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.94. Change for January 3.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $6.94. Greatest cost $7.71. Least cost $6.71. The normal for the month $7.14. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.21. Change for February 3.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $7.21. Greatest cost $7.21. Least cost $5.81. The normal for the month $6.62. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.25. Change for spring 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $6.25. Most extreme cost $7.76. Least cost $6.25. The normal for the month $6.88. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.25. Change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $7.25. Most extreme cost $7.25. Least cost $5.66. The normal for the month $6.56. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.09. Change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $6.09. Greatest cost $6.09. Least cost $4.76. The normal for the month $5.52. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.12. Change for June 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $5.12. Most extreme cost $6.14. Least cost $5.12. The normal for the month $5.53. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.74. Change for July 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.74. Greatest cost $5.74. Least cost $4.80. The normal for the month $5.36. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.16. Change for August 10.1%. United States dollars to Avax conversion standard equivalent to 0.0994 torrential slides per $1. The present reach 0.0965, 0.0995. The earlier days nearby 0.0968. Change for now plus 0.0026. Plus 2.69%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at $4.32. Greatest cost $5.23. Least cost $4.32. The normal for the month $4.69. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.89. Change for October 13.2%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. To start with cost at $4.89. Greatest cost $4.89. Least cost $3.82. The normal for the month $4.43. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.11. Change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $4.11. Most extreme cost $4.11. Least cost $3.21. The normal for the month $3.72. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.45. Change for December 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $3.45. Most extreme cost $4.28. Least cost $3.45. The normal for the month $3.80. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $4.00. Most extreme cost $4.96. Least cost $4. The normal for the month $4.40. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.64. Change for February 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $4.64. Greatest cost $5.76. Least cost $4.64. The normal for the month $5.11. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.38. Change for spring 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $5.38. Greatest cost $5.38. Least cost $4.62. The normal for the month